There, it's me, your CISA coach, Chidambaram. Let's see today's question and see how you fare on this question, alright? Here it comes. An IS auditor notes that the performance monitoring tool shows consistently high CPU utilization on a business critical server running across a cluster of 4 virtual machines. To determine whether this condition warrants further investigation, what should the IS auditor review first? So the keyword is first. Let's look at the options. System process activity log, system baselines, the number of CPUs allocated to each virtual machine, or is it organizational objectives? Give you 5 seconds as always to see what's the right answer. All right, I think we can start discussing the answers. Let us look at whether this is the right answer or not. Um, no, it's not. System process activity log is definitely not the right answer because logs are only going to tell you what processes are consuming the CPU. But why are these CPU behaving or being utilized in a very high level is something which you can't make out from just the logs. So logs are definitely useful, but probably this is at a later stage. Let us look at this option. The number of CPUs allocated to each virtual machine again is not correct because just by seeing the number of CPUs is just going to tell you about the resource allocation, but it's not relevant at this point in time because whether there is anything which is happening behind the scenes is something you cannot make out from this. Organization objectives again is not correct because organization objectives are talking about business criticality or performance expectations, and they are not actually, it is more of a policy or more of a what you want to achieve by doing this, but it is not what is going to help you to review. So definitely it is wrong. So that leaves us with this answer, which is the right answer, which is system baselining. Baselining means you will have to identify or understand what is the expected or normal performance level for a server. Basis that you can determine whether it is going right or wrong, or is it going something which is very abnormal as against the deviations of the usual baseline which is there, and basis that you can decide what to do. So this is the right answer. So that's that for this question. As always, subscribe, comment, and share. I'm available on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Insta as well. Thank you so much. Bye.